Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your iPhone. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just click here on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here on your settings. Then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you click here on accessibility here, just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Click here on motion here, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You come here to rich motion here, just click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's mean here rich motion enable with us now. That's all you have to do. I wish you all get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.